Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the quote which is as follows. If you always do what you have always done, you will always get what you always had. So I repeat the quote once again. If you always do what you have always done, you will always get what you always had. Most of us are too busy doing what we have been doing without the slightest thought of reconsidering our moves. We keep working with a blunt saw and progressively grow inefficient. I'm sure each one of us wants to move faster and with greater ease. And if that's true, we must stop for a while and take a second look. Save some time for ourselves and invest in self renewal on all the four dimensions: physical, mental, social, and spiritual. So take a break and sharpen your saw. For example, if a child who is in a school always studies less, so he always get less marks. He never ever realizes that he should study more to get better results. He studies less and after getting results with less marks, he feels sad. But he always keeps on repeating the same mistake again and again. So he always gets the same result. For achieving your goal of life, which you have set for yourself, you have to work harder and practice it day by day, which will improve your efficiency and accuracy, and you will come more closer in achieving your goal of life. And finally, one day you will achieve what you actually wanted for yourself, and that will make you feel the most happiest person on this planet Earth. The people present around you and in your surrounding will become happy too, and there will be happiness all around, which will ultimately lead to world unity, world happiness, and world peace, and there is development of humanity. So, what lies in your power to do lies in your power not to do. To do or not to do is only a matter of choice. You can be anything that you choose to be. So, at the last, you can be anything what you choose to be. Thank you.